So over here, you can see that I have a diagram file right here. And if I were to move this out right here and make some changes right here and save it out, then it is saved onto a certain location. And if I want to, let's say, open up other diagram files, you can go around onto the file menu and then you can click on open and then access out, let's say, for example, another file that you may have and click on open and that file will be opened. But if you want to open up recent files that you may have made, then you can go around onto the file menu and over here you can see open recent is an option as well. So you can just go around and choose a file that you have recently accessed and there you go, you have immediate access to those files without having to go around onto open and using the Explorer, as you can see right here. You can just go around over here and select out, let's say, this diagram right here. You can go around and open up this diagram right here. So as long as there is files, it'll show up. So this is what you have, as you can see. So let me just open up this and you can see that there's diagram right here, just like this. So that is how you can open from a certain location and then open recent files inside of diagrams.net. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.